I use these 3 makeup products every day after my skincare routine. Oh, that's only for daytime. I use eyebrow pencil to define my eyebrows and I do it properly so that it looks symmetrical. I am doing this for around 8 to 10 years and I love to do my eyebrows. And then next is blush. Blush always brighten up my face and gives healthy glow so that I look more awake and youthful. And that's the important point. See, it looks so natural. Even I am at home, I do this. Now the third thing, I love to use lip oils more than lip balms. And for night, I use lip balm. It gives very glossy shine and little pigmentation if I use pigmented one. But today I am using this transparent one and this I love too much because it protects from dehydration and cracking. My lips are always dry, so that's why I love lip oils. And I think lips feel more softer than lip balm. So these are the 3 products I need it every day. আর এগুলো ছাড়া আমার চলবেই না, মানে আমি এভরিডে ইউজ করবই করব।